today I'm going to make a chicken and vegetable pizza in the air fryer. Put pizza sauce on the pizza base. Add some cheese. And cook chicken pieces. Then add some capsicum. Add some onions and more cheese for the toppings. Very flavorful. Sprinkle some oregano and put some ketchup on top. Now it's ready for the air fryer. Put the pizza in the air fryer for about 15 minutes on 200 Celsius. Let it bake. Now it's ready to eat. It's crispy on the outside and soft in the middle. This is a small and simple cheese pizza. Put it in the air fryer for about the same time and let it bake. And now slice the pizza and you're done. So cheesy. Enjoy!